In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Microsoft PowerPoint using Office 365. Understanding how to rotate text can add a creative dimension to your presentations, allowing you to better align text with the overall design and flow of your slides. Whether you're preparing a pitch or crafting a visual masterpiece, knowing how to maneuver text effectively can be very beneficial. So let's dive into the steps and make your presentation stand out. First, to get started, you'll need to access Microsoft PowerPoint. If you haven't already, open the PowerPoint application on your computer. This should be straightforward if you're familiar with navigating your system's software or opening an application from your Start menu or taskbar. Once PowerPoint is launched, it's time to move on to opening a presentation file. You can either create a new one if you're starting from scratch or select an existing file. Click on the presentation file you'd like to work with and it should open up right in front of you, allowing you to follow the next steps. After your presentation is open, navigate to the slide containing the text you want to rotate. Once you've located the text, click on it. This straightforward action selects the text box, which is essential for applying any adjustments. You might notice a bounding box or selection handles around your text, indicating it's ready for editing. Now that you have your text box selected, the next step is to rotate it. Look for the rotate icon on the top of the text box. It usually appears as a circular arrow. Once you spot it, click and hold the icon with your mouse. By moving your mouse, you'll see the text box rotating. Adjust it to your preferred angle. You'll notice that being able to rotate text lets you experiment with different orientations, which can effectively change the visual dynamics of your slide. Remember, if the angle doesn't look quite right, you can always adjust it. Fine-tuning the rotation by making small movements can help you achieve the perfect alignment, and if you want to keep it precise, you can hold down the Shift key while rotating to snap the text box to specific angles. Once you have achieved the desired rotation, release the mouse button. Double check to see how your newly oriented text fits within the overall slide layout. You might find that a little rearranging of other elements is necessary to achieve a harmonious design. That's all there is to it. You now have the know-how to effectively rotate text in your PowerPoint presentations. This skill not only enhances the visual appeal of your slides, but also reflects your attention to detail and styling prowess. Keep practicing these steps, and soon rotating text will become second nature, allowing you to effortlessly enhance your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.